Here's a review of a Big Knob Pedals Vibe Tone. I'll just kick it off by saying I love it. Definitely you want it. It's very quiet. It doesn't add any noise. It's on. It's off. It's on. It doesn't add any warbly hissy stuff. It doesn't suck your tone. It does draw a little bit of gain, I've noticed. That doesn't bother me at all. So here's a clean sound, a Strat underwound fralin pickups into a 65 reissue deluxe reverb with a little bit of reverb. Here we go. Here's a middle pickup right now. All right, here's a little warbly, actually a rotary effect. Let's strengthen it up. All right, here's the actual Roto-Vibe, what I think of as Roto-Vibe. By the way, it's got a bias knob here. This is speed, intensity, speed, of course, and bias. The bias adds and subtracts some bass, some low end from the oscillation, and it's useful from what I've heard when it's clean, which I think it actually is, depending on what type of setting you are. So here we go. All right. So there you go. That's a good sample of the Vibe Tone by Big Knob Pedals. They do a great job. It's built well, it's solid, and the price is really good. Right off their website, buy it straight from them. I believe it's $159, and I've seen these pedals a lot more expensive than that. This is going to do it for you. Thank you, Big Knob Pedals, for the purchase and for this great pedal, which I needed. And I look forward to reviewing some of your other products. Thank you again.